Also, guys, I'm in here, and today I'm here with anakin10223, and short round 13 is actually in his match. But right now we're playing.
Shortround551. Oh, by the way, you didn't put my link in the description last time.
Oh, my bad. What?
Type Spleef. Type Spleef.
Spleef. We're playing Spleef, as you can see.
3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah!
Yeah!
Never. Anakin78987 versus Animan1000 starts now.
Ooh, I'm beating Callum in points.
No, that's just the number of who joined. I actually have 154 points. You'll only have like 3 or something.
I have 68.
I like this one. It's no lag.
Callum, that is points.
No, it's not.
That's points throughout the entire server.
I have 154 points. I just did /points. It's just that our Spleef ID number.
Oh, I got 185. Oh!
Oh no! Andrew will die. Andrew will die.
No, you can't catch me.
Oh,
Andrew! Oh no!
That worked! That worked.
No! He's winning. He's getting me. Come on. Come on, one more round and I think I've win. How many rounds is it till you win?
Oh, you just have to. Yeah, you just have
4?
to. Well,
I've already got.
I went for 6 one time.
Nice. So Callum, it's not 4, it's 5.
Oh, I played for 4.
I've played for
Okay,
longer.
who's ready to do Spleef?
I played for about 7.
No, me and Andrew are in a match.
Where are you?
We're in the nether. Good luck finding us. No!
We
Damn
went
it!
to the nether.
I fought a guy who was AFK once. He ended up winning.
What?
He won.
Oh, yes!
Nice.
Joking.
GG.
Oh, look at me. And the Callum desperately tries to defeat Andrew. The Andrew makes a foolish mistake.
How did I make a foolish mistake? I'm smart, bro.
In the near future.
In the near future.
No!
Fuck you, Fine Dancing.
Dun 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 dun
my
dun
name
dun 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 dun. Ah!
Come on.
And the Andrew foolishly makes a terrible mistake, causing him his life to be destroyed in a matter of chaos.
Oh, I got myself out.
Guys, where are you?
We're in the nether one,
We're
you won't be
still
able
in
to
the
get to
nether.
us.
No, because you can spectate.
No, you can't spectate the nether one.
Oh.
The Callum goes around Andrew, blocking him in.
Oh no, nice.
The Callum falls down. We end up drawing. I think it's whoever wins the next round, which will be me.
Which will be me.
And Whitey, do you remember that time when me and you, where Azzy was recording my victory?
Yeah. Oh, that was amazing, and I did
That
the
was
interview.
so long ago.
I
And
remember
we did
seeing.
the interview.
I remember seeing that before me and Callum were friends. I remember seeing that.
Yeah, that was fun.
And Callum was like so ticked off. That's all I remember. Was Callum was really ticked off.
I was
Oh
young.
god, I'm in the main arena.
I like that. I was young.
I'm spectating in the main arena.
Oh, come on. Oh yes, I win.
I made a very foolish mistake.
Yes, you did. I'm winning.
I like the first thing we do, just cut a line down the middle.
Oh, come on, Andrew. Come on, Andrew.
Parkour pro. Parkour kids.
No!
Living on the edge.
Parkour.
Oh god, this is gonna go for a while, Andrew.
Parkour kids living life on the edge. What?
What in the butt?
Dun 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 dun. You know what? I'm just gonna run around and see how long it takes for you to get me. Parkour kid living life on the edge. Parkour kid living life on the edge. Do 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 do. What you gonna do, Callum? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Ah!
Wow.
Hall of Fame. That just goes.
Oh, that was close.
It's close, everybody. Okay, come on, Andrew. You want to test out your parkour skills? Test it on this.
Okay.
No. Ah, shit.
Yes, I beat you.
Okay, right, Andrew. Andrew, type in /Spleef. Okay, have you typed it?
Wait.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, enter! Oh, it's me and Annie Man.
I'm with Callum. I'm with Annie Man.
Oh, no, I'm with.
No, Wiley, you're
oh.
with Maxi King.
Okay,
Hi,
so how many
guys.
points am I on now? I'm
Hi,
on 144 points. Okay, Andrew, you ready?
This is Thanksgiving.
Whoa. Where
I'm
did this
just kidding,
guy
like
get
this
this
one.
armor from?
Oh,
Nice.
you can buy the armor from the shop.
What does the armor
saving
do?
up, I'm saving
I'll
up
take
for
armor.
that slap
Oh.
mouse head.
Whoa. Jump.
Andrew,
Jump.
you coming or not?
I'll come there.
Whoa. No, for God's sake.
Now what you gonna do, Andrew?
Well, no, what you gonna do? You're trapped.
Well, actually, no.
Whoa.
Correction,
What?
you can't get me.
For crying out loud.
Andrew, correction, you can't get me.
I can use. Oh no, yeah, never mind.
Andrew, you may want to reset it.
You might want to kill yourself.
I'm not gonna kill
In game, not real life.
1. Nice. I think this guy might be a mad cow.
Reset.
No.
Hey, Andrew,
He was AFK.
my shovel.
You're AFK for a moment.
Drop my shovel.
Don't
Yeah.
bother.
Can't drop it.
Don't bother. Oh wow. He just killed
Callum,
himself.
if you were to like sprint and jump and then hit my spleef or hit my block,
Oh,
oh
oh,
God! Wrong button. I didn't mean to break it. Dirt. God, that's very maniacal.
God, that was rubbish. that was a pathetic attempt. Huh.
Andrew, what are you doing?
Challenging myself.
Whoa!
What? Oh, I got
Nice.
you. I got you.
Actually, I jumped.
Come on. I can do this. It's a 3. 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 How long has this guy been playing Minecraft for? Not too bad. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I've got to win 2. He's only got to win 1. Fuck. No.
Coming, Andrew.
No.
Ah, I knew it. Ah, yes, I got you.
Hello, Andrew. I'm going to rip off your head and then suck it dry.
That's not very nice.
Ha ha ha! I'm going to suck you dry. That's
what
how
she
it
said.
happens.
I'm stuck going backwards. Oh. Fuck, okay. Oh, GG. Big G.
bad game.
I thought we were friends.
Oh my god. And the cannon desperately tries to kill the Andrew.
Maxi King.
Andrew makes a silly.
Oh!
Listen, ignorant. Callum sees future in his sights. What have you done to yourself, Andrew? You let yourself go.
I'm not fat. That's just mean.
I never think you're fat. You're
I'm
stupid.
kidding.
Stupid.
The
You
Callum,
don't know.
the Callum makes a terrible steak, but let me get behind him.
No, I don't. And then the Andrew jumps into the water.
No, the Callum.
Mwah.
The Callum stupidly walks.
Oh
into the water.
wow.
No! God, this is the best battle I've ever had against someone.
You know?
No.
Oh.
This is literally all the other ones are like 3-year-olds destroying the snow blocks underneath them.
Oh no, sing. Well, I did that the first one by mistake.
How do I play Spleef? Oh yeah, I know. And destroying the blocks underneath me.
Boop, boop,
Andrew, look, I'm on your side. How did I get here? I don't know.
Oh god, that was close.
Andrew!
No, denied! Oh. Aw.
Andrew!
Nice!
Andrew, you're fucking retarded.
No.
I win!
GG. Ready?
Okay, Andrew, how many points have I? Okay, Andrew, do slash spleef, okay? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh,
Yeah.
Again!
oh, good game.
It's against Andrew, it's so cool.
That's probably the last one I'm gonna record.
Okay.
I'll just record a bunch and I'll just cut it up.
Andrew, look. Look up.
I already did.
This is boring considering we can only do 2 people.
Yeah, I know, right? We should do 3.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't do that.
So far, I've won more than Andrew has on this recording.
How many points have you all got?
Oh my god, I'm winning so easily on this one, Andrew.
Tell me what. Ooh,
Mid-
pretty colors.
Andrew, you're fucking retarded. Okay, so me and Andrew on a pirate ship was. Okay, so someone's swearing at a ninja.
Does he? With red eyes.
It's Tatty with red eyes.
I'm trying to like figure out what they are while I'm trying to
They're
sleep.
pirates. That's
No.
a ninja and that's a pirate.
I'm running around. Do you say that was me?
Whoa! I only just noticed that. I think that's a spectator arena or something. Oh no, wait, that's a super jump for this map.
Was it a super jump?
Yeah, but the super jump's really boring. You don't fight each other or anything.
Yeah, can we do something else?
Yeah, this is gonna be
Boring.
this is gonna be the last thing. Should we do the Yoga Olympics?
No.
Nah.
Oh my god, Andrew, you suck!
Oh, I'm sorry. I never wanted to be a disgrace.
Are you in the nether again?
No,
No.
we're in a pirate one this time. All the ones we've done are non-spectatable.
You must be able to spectate them.
No, you can't spectate all of them. Some of them you have to be VIP to spectate. Because you have to TP and all that.
Tell me, are you VIP?
How are you supposed to spectate an island anyways?
You just gotta find it.
That sucks.
Come on, Andrew. Come here, boy. Jump into the water.
No, you jump into the water.
I'm still sitting here.
No.
Episode.
Jump into the water. Jump into the water, Andrew. Damn it.
Yeah, I do. I just gotta run around.
Andrew, you got 1 point. I've got
Where's
3.
where is the arena selection wall?
It's in one of the things.
Doesn't help.
It's in one of the buildings by spawn.
No! God dang it.
There's a good boy, Andrew. You finally came to sense and jumped into the water. Good boy. Here's a bone. It's in the water. Here's a bone. It's in the water. Go get it.
When we were playing Skyblock. Oh, you want an apple?
Spleef
You want an
arena.
apple?
Okay, so
Oh, yeah. You actually jumped out to get it.
I did.
nether.
No.
Oh, why did you just join one?
Yeah, I wasn't expecting to join it. I wanted to spectate it, for God's sake.
Oh!
Yes!
Anakin!
Okay,
Yes.
right. Okay,
Oh
Andrew.
my God, where am I?
Andrew, you went in the
What is
video
this?
now.
Yeah, so I...
Spleef.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye.
Right.
Okay.
This is Spleef.